the shit lost and found.
Oh my god. Can't they find the rest of us too?
Do not click the link! Get out of there right now!
Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Sangal from 11 UM Sabeliana, and my group is Littering. So for today's video, we're going to review a film called The Unfriended Dark Web. So The Unfriended Dark Web is directed by Stephen Sasko, 51 years old American screenwriter, producer, and director. He is known for writing horror films such as The Grudge 2, and The Chainsaw Man 3D. So The Unfriended Dark Web is Stephen Sasko's directorial debut film, so meaning after being a writer and producer, now this is his first time as a director of a film. So The Unfriended Dark Web has its premiere at South by Southwest noong March 9, 2018. So bale since 2024 na pala ngayon, bale 6 years na. So ganun nakatagal tong movie nito. So now guys, let me tell the synopsis of the story. So after finding a laptop, a young man goes online and play a game with the 5 of his good friends. He shows them a mysterious folder that plays disturbing video of people who appear to be in danger. They then receive an anonymous message that tells them that they will all die if they disconnected or call the police. The planned night of laughter and fun quickly turns into deadly as each users become the target of something sinister, while the others must watch helplessly in terror. So this film is horror and thriller. So now guys, let me tell the synopsis of the story. So after finding a laptop, a young man goes online and play a game with 5 of his good friends. He then shows them a mysterious folder that plays disturbing videos of people who appear to be in danger. They then receive an anonymous message that tells them that they will all die if they disconnected or call the police. The planned night of fun and laughter quickly turns into deadly as each other becomes the target of something sinister, while others must watch helplessly in terror. So this film is horror and thriller. So bagay ito sa mga manonood na gusto nila ng mga bagay na nakakatakutan. So kung gusto niyo nakakatakutan, dapat panoorin niyo to. The Unfriended Dark Web is a horror film that features several characters, each with their own distinct traits and roles within the story. So here are some of the main characters of the story has. So number 1 is our protagonist, Matthias. He's portrayed as a young man who discovers a laptop with access of the dark web. He becomes increasingly entangled in the sinister online world as he delves deeper into the laptop's content. The second is Amaya. She's Matthias' girlfriend who is deaf. She is supportive of Matthias but becomes increasingly worried as events unfold. The third is Damon. He's Matthias' friend and a tech-savvy coder who helps him navigate the dark web. So the fourth one is AJ. He's a funny YouTuber guy, and I can say that he's one of my favorite character in this story. Andiyan din sa mga characters sila Lex, Serena, and Nari, who is also part of the main events. So lastly, the antagonist of the story. They're a cult who is called the Circle. So they have 13 members. They are called Charon. Charon 1, Charon 2, up to 13. So the ICT trends in this movie is the dark web exploration. So the film delves into the world of the dark webs, a hidden part of the internet where the illicit activities that take place. This reflects the trend of exploring the deeper, less accessible layers of cyberspace, which can harbor various risks and dangers. So what are the ICT threats in this movie? So actually napakarami. So there are identity theft, hacking, online manipulation, and surveillance. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga lesson na nakuha natin sa film nito? So one of them is be mindful of your digital footprint. Sinasabi rin dito na yung mga curiosity natin is may have a bad consequences on us. And binibigyan rin tayo dito ng awareness about the dark web, kung ano yung mga dangers nito. So dapat rin tayong mag-ingat sa mga bagay na information na binibigay natin online kasi pwede itong magamit against us. And doon na nagtatapos ang lahat. Inaantok na ako. Bye.